so na NDC wama tro krata e de akwa National Peace Council wama de baako akwa na Nado Danko Akufo-Addo, the President of the Republic of Ghana, ena wama de baako akwa MPP wama de asi ye General Secretary so ewo MPP akache yeni hu nkoma Yere Peter Boama Otukono, Deputy General Secretary in charge of operations edema NDC. Vandabola. Good morning.
Good morning, Minya.
Bibia boko de.
Nyamiado bibia boko.
Ye de nyamiase. Na enra krata mochro ye krata miensa mo distribute the kama. But I be nti na mo de tron krata no.
Yo, ni di kan emi se mo amodi komodi echi. Ama komodi ne krata na ye beta se komodi no esan se NDC4 kwan a ye meticulous ni obahwe no komodi ne difa ama ya konkan pa na ye din krata akodan president mo yi ano ama ye di akodan mo yi ano ama MPP4 so atro ye krata na utwi na eno anu yi na ye di akodan mo a yes lo mo se ye de se the position after beginning no na ye express se meeting we no intimi ko ye MPP ni NDC me ko ye preto na emu no yempe pani bi ana se institution bi obeye ejinantem na wo moderating komono na mpukra na yema that stakeholders so be kan komodi no na obeka ya decide no di coast ekoto president no wo ma ya no ye ya say example for you na ya outsiders na omokro mu vigilante groups ye pani ye obiti ye nkoye in that letter na puno no so ka se omu ni vigilante groups and so no asa atro one paragraph say omu vigilante groups yenza ka MPP4 letter na omu editu mu se o sia no ma ye krado na omu bema multi stakeholder no abaso no na ye ni kisem kese ya fasa kunya no ne so any se dia no ma to date any time ni venue na ma dia ya so ya infan ko dan National Peace Council because Ghana bra womu na tumi ni wo mu nsem se ndubadi bi sei nka wo mu kra na nka so mo sha ye enye ye mpukra na ese ko dan na constitution no so show mo kete so mo be say adwumadi no nti ye din krata ko dan mo se nka we die ni ti ma omun kire ye omunya nhihye na as a matter of urgency and many yai omun kire venue ni time ni location na yenkoye meeting no and starting meeting no immediately woman ni momo ni ombesha afie yen NDC4 yen krata ya choma president no ba ku bi wa ye copy omo na omo de omo no die ba so my card say emre bia ye be tutun sa afro mo so mo be tanku bi no mo de America ba be di sanku mo bi no ana so ba be moderate sanku mo bi tin na ye din krata akomo ena ye len krata ye akomo MPP4 no ye indicate wo mo say ye ni age na emum no say na ye di akodan Peace Council for inti ka ye hwe Peace Council for enim na ni bani bia no mo my time ni bani na komodi ni sha na president Kata had command your response to the Kata or Choma last week say what's from Kata na bread ye na as ye de yanuki itini command na obekaya ni Kata ni muno no so we fair asem na ma the party chairman nti ye bona baso say so far no ye chiro Kata na we ano na issue say why commitment na empokrapo no washa attorney general say one share emra say the be be two sa vigilantes madia say na emu no ye problem kakra ye won say na e bia emra bi wo hono ma emma ne tumi ananka ne refinti ye kai no say si an president would need issue executive instrument na esan say vigilantes and say no ya ben emergency situation in intino the kasi e twen attorney general na afi no koye consultation akọ chọchọ na odi akọ cabinet no ma correct na wasa akusisi no odi aba cabinet no ma approve di akọ parliament ya hwe yi kra beto aba 2020 na law embaye na yitipa ye pese ye samra na eso amkuba mfaso na 2020 na kote gbegura na ye ne nti president nke yesere ne se on activities are within our constitution in the man no issue executive instrument to outlaw the activities of party militia and vigilante movement. So to me, outlaw the activities of party militia. Yeah, we say Bema police for years with your phone in a swoopy, any amodini to me being a renewed commitment to Bianca. We're moving to me, I started the I2 years. And the amount police for years with your phone, you're going to make it. Edia two, Edia force Elmrana and as executive instrument in our president, the Abana. Nan Kumodin so El Cosso thing. And no Cadaman Kumodina Kuyi, Jinaya Kumodini to Babano, Nasa Jinayana Bay solid foundation among 20 Kenya. For the Bayer, who beat me Eddie accumulating Rana Mambrana, Etimi, Etilan, for two parliament, Etimia could true. Not just a sharp three-pronged approach winning. Let me eliminate vigilantism from our body politic once and for all, forever. Nti no ene yina ye yes yes president say can many me ya no ko betu sa anamo no e dia mai. Nti sa kratai ene ye dia akoda mpendifo ye hwe kan say National Peace Council wo mu di omanu di and ebeba and many are starting. While yes, I mean, so Lanka president, I consider executive instrument, now what to me at the Abua. I'm a side here to us here once and for all. Because Ghana, you kept money keeping and 1 year, you timid and 50 years to nothing. Not to be man can be free and say, oh my, you better papa. Now we're winning Kualano and Bano. Woman on the breakfast. Indeed, Sadi aye nyina no Ghana form ba ne Ghana form kwala wo ko school na omodni Ghana da twen ntina ya secretary say Sadi we said to trust them ne kasamia ba ya man sembu ebetimi etu anamoni ye fi ho kra
na uhu ne se mumienu motena se na bia National Peace Council ebetena montem na mototo bibia na eno no kwa ne nye enough enu tuna mu push se o mampanyi fa ne tumi emfa amra ne mra no
oh ye betimi I common ye betimi na ye betimi on the course and the effect and how to deal with it meeting na say na ye see say na ye commitment ni we are in the history of this country you can say corporate the John some kakra ti we bam no fu nti say yeah political parties see you need to me the be enforce the law so at ya say a state in the would to me the be enforce the law so state to me to see a president Akufo-Addo and the security agencies are almost an asset. It is so to me it's an executive instrument in the banner police for starting activities in terms of starting clamp down on these criminals working under political parties as vigilantes now. And no bit me up Bobby among the crowd more perspectives. You bit media tree more every panya, you be sitting once and for all. The sense of urgency, Ebeba in Ayana and this bit me up. Now, who said, say, yes, I meet not political parties, civil society organizations, as of where you will move, National Commission for Civic Education, all the stakeholders are there. Edema Nkomodieno Jinaya Ebisi too. But about the car, it may be a president, and as a more president, so to know. Not just a 2 year pata. In the 18 Kobasa, in fear, you break, and now I see me, and then see 90. Now I did not sound command of because committee union I know, every man brano etimia is strong. Now, sir, executive instrument, and so no etimia have peace. Now, and your first time a president, you were issue executive instrument. Samobeka 7th January, near a holiday, so holiday, no. Executive instrument and president issue here and the holidays. I mean, Namrano, you are to parliament or Mum pass here, some of the Kaya. Now, say, I know passing holidays amendment act. I am running process in a cost of president to use executive instrument at the SM Ram. Yes, the president saying Kobe apply whilst we wait previously for the National Peace Council.
Okay. Se Ekobasa National Peace Council wɔn pɛ ɛna bi a wɔn bɛtena mu na mo mmienu mo ahyia ahwɛ aka sɛnsɛm wɔ yi a mo bɛyɛ satisfied.
Oh, for the first meeting, dear, tell people before saying come up as stakeholders now about better. Inka yeti who common agree on who and who will come and be part. Say peace council say more free and MPP for first meeting no near discuss stakeholders now. We will readily go. But say any MPP for Pebisia say you could discuss stakeholders and your money you could do mobility and not be offending them because we cannot trust the MPP and they have shown time with Anna but that they cannot be trusted. And I know 2016 in Kotna IPAC and no crap on any other political party. Yes, in I agreement, so we say but whatever to November, YP and people for Sefina, the Kai Dakra, and ye bisa, and my better issue. Tell me a short okay, pan.
Make I IPAC meeting number boy.
It's young people for the maybe say you can't trust them on it, so we don't want to risk this. The democracy of our country is so dear to our heart. Who say young and I offer by democracy?
But say I am almost one of the suburb bomb say most of Mokotana IPAC meeting. Na mobo pobi wo ha na masa ba bonti aba be hu dede. Eno so awon de suburb bomb.
Oya the identity na oya akotana meeting no dia akoti nkomo a obi ani. That's the point that we are making. That's the point we are making, and I'm sure you have found reason with our position. And almost every Ghanaian has found reason with our position, except the MPP until this week. Or much will say, okay, this is much is so much. And no crowd under the cloak of deception. Say, you per se you see one-on-one answer, na margin now with the buy and I have to money at the IM. I mean, it's a last foundation.
Okay.
Yeah, a peace council when you say. One more two and more quickly now. Tell your my expressing readiness. Move to me activating meeting on the Ashas.
It is a say more and this for the my ready. Say and nakura no peace council for chere say dates a one more person mushie ni venue a mo beko akwako hie ni a wo de bema bi amampani ana so mo de beto MPP mpanifo ani mo no mo de my ready ever.
Media an opay mo friend ya me sorry ni ngusha wakra na ya no pay ya me ngusha wakra me fa matari ase na me ne me boss me penifo na yetu ana mo alcohol.
Okay. Na Peter ye friko a it's a story bi ene na wiem a e kire se story no is being attributed to you. Say wakoka so honorable Kennedy Japan so for say the party for ejina ma enu free party ni mo.
I pay me Kennedy Japan in Teddy Wakan heading old audience of my number own free party very straightforward. When you say me say me can was Kennedy Japan yeah no na say we be candidate. In fact that no me interview am here was live mo friend mo both tape na na see. Edia me Kennedy Japan say me candidate me kakra. Na really say MPP were disappointed no free party na they obeka na otina no asaba no abe kan ye ba bi afiri mu na
Ad ekwakwa se wa bre no dodo wo ne kasa mu ntina ma wo mpese o kana sem krai
pa Kennedy Japan remain chairman
all right ya better say when you dey come and 1 week celebration so call say boy hon come
oh nyame ado community me papa and there 1 week celebration na eko yi pa nipa eba ya ankasa nipa betre bushia odo na ora Dr. Community ye kra no isa me sure say yi na ankasa de ebeye yi kesia ewo international dimension because Sabata we was some moment soronko asom Ghana soronko asom NDC soronko na me in particular there ne experience ne kwanya wodi ni duma no personally I benefit me here because what farm is aneba it show personal interest in my political development me kai 2010 mu hɔ no 2009 mu hɔ na me fad me ti hɔ ana wɔfrɛ me ɛna me kɔɛ na me so sɛma after election no na me din sɛ nka me contested election yi bio ɔsi okotogu no odi edawi a ɔkasa no obɛyɛ deputy propaganda obetumi aboa me bibia de aboa saa election no he personally took interest and took responsibility of the campaign across the country bibia me ye ya and I'm losing by 20 votes and I'm losing by 20 votes after that no every bibia also took no yeah na me disia me disia ya if I feel position yes free no and e dia bedu ye tree. And I owe a lot to Dr. Kwabena and several other people who are national executives. Yeah, we free one. My boss, general secretary, and I don't uncle. On the EPP, and I national chairman. So it's now a free one. Yeah. Other executives, and Naya Juma. So, me legacy, any name dear, any same one, you say, ma. It me more the move party me free opposition about power 2008, you know. That's and then that is why we are even confident. Say the Queen be also MPP 2020 about the two free because the legacy of Dr. Kwabena, the style of politics, it left some in us. In apply the was about 2 weeks. And look at that, Papa, position here and no crowd would that will be deputy secretary of PNDC, would be different institutions, the minister, the MP, where there would be a majority leader, the chief whip, the minister of parliamentary affairs, minister of food and agriculture, order, forestry and natural resources. Why? Papa, we have lost a genius, and so it will be open now. Because we're a psychologist, you know, he has a way of bringing out the best in you, and you cannot afford to fail around Dr. Kwabena. He has this, you know, humor. People will be an enemy honor. And it encourages you. I did about family kind of the philosophy they are using, or say if it be contrary logic. Say. I think but now expectation of Kwabena will reacting in a certain way. You'll be fuka crap. Not your calm, no three, no your cracky jokes. And you ask him, look now, why are you this way? He applies what is called contrary logic. Time our expectation of responding in a particular way, you will not respond. But at the right time, you will respond. And you see the results of the outcome. And it has always been like that. And that is very successful chairman of our party. So it's our contrary logic, you know. Both Unama said, Sebio, Utuana, Mobio, Becasana, Quay, Sebio, Najin, Jumana, Adina, we mu yesi, non cononco yesi. Why I said Sebio, and Pretias, our boy in a one, say, Abuano no Cochina, who said, Utunina, Poco, not that form on Brassier. No, and those are the things that we learn from Dr. Kwabena. We greatly miss him. In fact, we have really missed him. And the Bushia for Nemba and Woma, another Funyanano, Yamobia, Yako, Yamomo shedding.
Okay.
And more mountain.
All right. Now, what date? Remember the question date, babe?
31st May.
31st May. Okay, good. Maminya we na feminya we. Nyakopanya adoma yenya netie se the Vice President Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia obe deliver lecture se wo economy ho. Obe kire se dia enoma eko. Na bibisa se NDC for we your open invitation. Oh NDC for mbeko bi no makwa akotie.
So when you manage the economy, now Fako manage the economy, no na city ninjina ni naso. Fako manage the economy ni yesi kanse munkoso. Fako manage the economy na car ye de busia mo bono. Muja e busia ne bo. Dr. Barmia, meeting of better any the many Abema.
Oh, but na town hall meetings the NDC ni town hall meetings the say naki yenim. Ade a mo say maye bia. Nti we town hall meeting na mum vice president. E ba be kire say the economy ko. Bokotena bia na ye de na nka mo so. Otimi ahu say the anoma ko bia na bibi wo ho ba be boy amane a.
And then other boy amane. Ni here ni fi spinach na national ni nkuku no wani mas say de egu no wani mas bu be asia afande na. Yeah, Ghana is the worst performing currency, the most miserable and cheapest currency. A cheap Tekokodi Kosi. We are here for 9 years. And not Dr. Barmia, so you wouldn't be no lecture here. One call lecture city, no. One has city in also. So why will we worry ourselves about Dr. Barmia's lecture? The people of this country, one Nipako, another Nipasua, and that Ghana for. Oh, they will not borrow. They can develop this economy without borrowing. The fundamentals are weak and the exchange rate is exploding. They will come and fix the fundamentals. If the fundamentals not more 50 anyway. In the end, what the catcher fundamentals not 50 and now city that depreciate 5.6 and then I say push. And then almost started back down. I will do 5.35. Now I say, who can catch a Maria no worry now. Many Abema, Oka will catch a Maria no worry now. Move to P economy no reserve currency reserves in Anna. So far, what to do close to about $100 million and I take a credit. It will be deplete foreign reserves. That is not the way to deal with the matter. No, your economics here, paying your economics move and know that this is not the way to deal with the matter. The Mobeka, me personally, I have called on Dr. Barmia for a personal debate, between me and a one-on-one debate on the economy. And there is no way Dr. Barmia can stand some of us in the debate on the economy. The propaganda now here will position.
Otukono na Okase.
What's it?
They say Otukono, Peter Otukono, and Ekase.
Oh, Peter Otukono and Ekase.
There's no way Dr. Barmia betimi stand when him. Economy.
No. But I'm an economist myself.
Minimpa. There's another person who should be a year now.
In any economic debate. And the theory that we use the year, you position time, none of them, falls under any economic theory or make sense with any economic theory that exists. We knew that about me could not do anything. Mutie mu ofidie so ameka YouTube na peace na meka okay na meka said Dr. Barmia say mo kai entimi nya adwuma. It is not possible. Am I church the more utilities know how we are going to do this and all that, but nobody was ready to listen. So Dr. Barmia has nothing new to offer. He is empty. He doesn't have anything to offer. If you there, town hall meeting and him so the pie so the actual papa the Ghana for me, a short Ghana for me, so me a similar I will trust our name send a chia. Now, so we started to now the one a don't rare a bit more, or the nano don't rare beyond one, and I feel I bet really I feel one.
Okay,
and I could be
Peter says, "One this is school, no, a cause."
Oh, Yanko Pata Roma, this school, a course of Papa. Minimum can say the training close to about 8,000 to 9,000 party fit force. You've been rolling out major program class. I don't know. You've been training close to about 100,000 of our party fit force in various political and ideological and research-based politics and governance. So we are on course. Doctor said, "Kwame, despite the bear, I'm not able to need to get your mind."
And then can maybe say, "Kwame, so I'm first in this caderan."
Your big campus now, a pessimist, no nanka, you could see a campus. The doctor, Timia, or Ejika, or Kaya, no, but why I can clear but because politics winning here and the governance winning here, never wow, my own. It is a own tears, woman into a doc, my yesterday, a NDC party school. yɛnyamwa nti obetumi anka omedi yamwa kakra ni ntimi ntre ya hye na ntimi nyama sede be a ebedu be ye ni swadi mu be ya pese ye kono ebeto da mu bi ya for crap mu betumi aba party school ni bi na ma be hyehyia party no ideology ne enye party no ideology to general political ideology any kwan a journalism no ebetumi feed into some ideological framework bi a ebetumi aboa for man no empumtu
ena no pay yeda se woni edi nkomo
menzo me das me habe
yene aye Peter Boamo Otukono ye Deputy General Secretary in charge of operations at the NDC ene yene ne di nkomo afa eye isamahudu obi a ehu behia se ne yene no ebedi ho nkomo